Hey you guys, welcome back. I wanted to start by wishing all of you a very happy Durga Puja. I hope you're having the best of times with your friends and family. And in today's video, I wanted to talk about something that has been a holy grail for me and an absolute must in terms of Durga Puja prep. So Durga Puja is not only an event, I feel like it is a feeling, it is an energy, it is so much more beyond just the puja functions. I feel like every Bengali awaits Durga Puja more than their birthday, more than their anniversary. It is literally the time of the year, and all of the preps, I feel like they start way before puja even starts. I'm definitely sure you guys are already done with all your Durga Puja shopping in terms of what you're wearing, your outfit, your diet plans, your every regime is set. But one of the things that is very important and something that you must also include in the prep is your skincare. This is the Kumkumadi skincare range from Kama Ayurveda. This is a skincare regime that you will love if you're looking for a natural Ayurvedic approach to skincare. The change of season calls for a more moisturizing and repairing skincare routine before puja, and this really helps different skin concerns like pigmentations, dark spot, age lines, dullness, marks, so much more. This entire range is made with more than 21 herbal ingredients. The key ingredient is the red gold saffron, which is kumkuma, which is amazing for your skin health. It has retinoids and vitamins, etc., that really help give you that radiant, youthful glow. So the first step would be to moisturize in the morning. This is the Kumkumadi Illuminating Skin Perfecting Day Cream. This day cream gives you that youthful and natural looking glow while keeping the skin fresh and balanced all day. So you can include this as a part of your daytime ritual. I love using this moisturizer because it literally just melts into your skin. It has a plant-based formula, and these are also dermatologically and clinically tested. It is fragrance free, and I think this would make a great addition and prep to your festive makeup. Moving on, we do the evening skincare routine, and for that I like to use the Kumkumadi Rejuvenating and Brightening Night Cream. This is the perfect leave-in night treatment for youthful, naturally radiant skin. This is a very rich cream. As you can see, it is again a plant-based formula without any artificial fragrance. Now both of these creams are suitable for all skin types, even if you have sensitive skin. I have very sensitive skin, and despite that, it literally has made my skin look so good. I would just close my eyes and recommend this to everybody because it's such a beautiful addition to your skin prep. They're both infused with the essence of the Kumkumadi Ayurvedic oil from Kama Ayurveda. Now that oil is a must-have as well. I'm going to link everything down below for you guys to go check it out. Please do add this in your routine. Let me know what you think. If you guys have tried this before, let me know. You have to remember that skincare is patience and consistency, and you need to give this routine at least 28 days for visible benefits. And with that, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm sending you lots of love, and I hope you celebrate this festive season well. Be safe and take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.